Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle marks a bold new chapter for this beloved nameplate, blending its iconic heritage with forward-thinking electric mobility. Underneath its familiar rounded shape lies Volkswagen's latest MEB electric platform, which also underpins models like the ID.4, ensuring modern engineering and efficiency. The car's proportions remain charmingly compact, but with slightly larger dimensions than previous generations to accommodate the battery pack and improve interior space. Designers have cleverly integrated aerodynamic elements, such as flush door handles and a smoothed underbody, to maximize range without losing the Beetle's playful character. One of the most striking updates is the front end, where the traditional grille has been replaced with a sleek panel featuring illuminated Volkswagen badging and subtle honeycomb textures for cooling. The circular LED headlights pay homage to the classic Beetle but incorporate advanced matrix lighting technology that adjusts beam patterns for optimal visibility. At the rear, the signature curved windshield remains, but now flows into a more angular rear deck with an integrated spoiler for improved downforce. The absence of tailpipes, thanks to its electric powertrain, gives the back end a clean, futuristic look, complemented by dynamic LED light bars. Inside, the cabin takes a minimalist yet high-tech approach, with a focus on sustainability. Vegan leather upholstery, recycled plastics, and open-pore wood trim options reflect Volkswagen's commitment to eco-friendly materials. The dashboard is dominated by a freestanding 12.9-inch touchscreen running Volkswagen's latest infotainment software, which includes over-the-air updates and intuitive voice commands. A compact digital instrument cluster sits directly ahead of the driver, providing essential driving data without clutter. Thoughtful touches like wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and even a retro-inspired glovebox handle add both convenience and charm. Performance-wise, the electric Beetle is designed to be peppy and engaging, staying true to its fun-to-drive roots. The base model's single rear-mounted motor delivers 201 horsepower and 229 pounds-feet of torque, making it quick off the line with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6.4 seconds. The dual-motor all-wheel drive variant bumps output to 295 horsepower and 339 pounds-feet, cutting the 0-60 sprint to just 5.1 seconds. While not a full-blown sports car, the Beetle's low center of gravity and well-tuned suspension make it agile in corners, with precise steering and minimal body roll. The standard adaptive damping system allows drivers to toggle between comfort and sport modes, tailoring the ride to their preferences. Battery technology is a key highlight, with Volkswagen equipping the Beetle with an 82 kWh net capacity lithium-ion pack. In real-world conditions, expect a range of about 260 miles in the base model and 240 miles in the AWD version due to its extra power consumption. Regenerative braking is adjustable via steering wheel paddles, letting drivers maximize energy recapture in city driving. When it's time to recharge, the Beetle supports up to 170 kilowatts DC fast charging, enabling a 10 to 80% top-up in just 28 minutes. At home, an 11 kilowatts level 2 charger will fully replenish the battery overnight in approximately 7.5 hours, making it practical for daily use. Volkswagen has also focused heavily on tech and safety, packing the Beetle with the latest driver assistance systems. Standard features include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane centering assist, and traffic sign recognition. A 360-degree camera system and automated parking assist make tight urban maneuvering a breeze. The car also introduces a new augmented reality head-up display that projects navigation arrows and safety alerts directly onto the windshield, reducing distractions. Over-the-air software updates ensure these systems stay current, with Volkswagen promising at least a decade of support. The Beetle's interior is surprisingly spacious for its size, with clever packaging providing ample headroom and legroom for front passengers. The rear seats are best suited for children or shorter adults, though the lack of a transmission tunnel, thanks to the flat airfloor, improves foot space. Cargo capacity is decent, with 14.1 cubic feet under the rear hatch, enough for a few suitcases or a week's worth of groceries. Fold-down rear seats expand practicality, And there's even a small frunk under the hood for storing charging cables or small bags. Pricing is expected to start at $36,500 for the base rear-wheel drive model, positioning it as an affordable yet premium electric vehicle. The all-wheel drive version will likely command around $42,000, while a fully loaded first edition trim with premium audio, panoramic roof, and advanced driver aids could approach $48,000. Volkswagen may also offer subscription-based features, such as boosted performance or enhanced infotainment functions, via its digital ecosystem. Lease deals and federal EV tax credits could make the Beetle even more accessible when it hits the market. As for the release timeline, Volkswagen is set to unveil the production-ready 2025 Beetle at the Los Angeles Auto Show in November 2024, with reservations opening shortly after. Manufacturing will take place at Volkswagen's Puebla, Mexico plant, alongside the ID.4, with first deliveries expected by March 2025. Initial availability may be limited, so eager buyers should stay tuned for updates from their local dealerships. Volkswagen has hinted at potential special editions down the line, including a convertible variant and a high-performance R model, to expand the lineup. The 2025 Beetle isn't just a nostalgic throwback, it's a forward-looking EV that respects its heritage while embracing the future. Its combination of distinctive design, enjoyable driving dynamics, and modern tech makes it stand out in a crowded electric vehicle market. Whether you're a longtime Beetle fan or simply seeking a stylish, eco-friendly commuter, this reimagined icon deserves serious consideration. With its expected reliability, low running costs, and undeniable charm, the Beetle could very well become one of 2025's most talked about cars. What are your thoughts on Volkswagen's electric reinvention of this classic? Let us know in the comments below.